Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to be taking you through a few tips and tricks on how to keep your begonias looking great and getting the most out of the flowers. You can see here, these were several begonia plugs from last year. They were kept in this pot in the centre there. See, all growing really well. What I like to do is go around, back here, sat down, just go around, take any flowers that are in the middle, not going to get any light, plus any leaves that are turning a little bit yellow like so. You don't want those falling off and starting to rot, because if they land on a branch, say like there, that will cause that branch to rot and fall off. So just go through any damaged leaves as well, so like that. Any damage, just take off. Any female seed pods as well, those want taking off. And you just want to work your way around, getting in here. You've got flowers in here, see right in there. They are never going to see daylight, so just take them, pinch them off. This way you're going to keep the centre of the plant nice and healthy, and you're going to keep it producing flowers for a long time. Get round here. See here, there's some flowers that have fallen down. Just want to show you. If I left that, that would cause that branch to rot. Got a leaf there, dry damaged leaf there. Just go around. If you keep on top of this, you shouldn't have too much work to do. Just do a gentle pinch and get them off there. Like I said, this helps with airflow as well. The more air you get blowing through here, the better, the more healthy your plant, your begonia is going to be. Oh, damaged plant there. And then just underneath here, I'll show you all these here. See, that'll produce, I'll get no light at all. Get the leaves here. I like to do this probably once a week. Keep on top of things. See in here, I'm going to show you. We've got underneath here. Look at these here. I'm going to get these off and out of the way. Like so. That way you're going to encourage more healthy new growth to come. And the more healthy growth you get, the better your flowers are going to be. These beautiful red colours here, I absolutely love these. You see these here, one there, it's fallen off and through. Taking off. See underneath here, look at that. It's taken out. But yeah, any yellowing leaves, any damaged leaves, just take your thumb and forefinger. When I get in there, just break it off at the main stem. See in here, this one is a really thick begonia, this one. So, see in the middle here, you've got these dry and damaged leaves. These will cause fungus and rot if they're not taken care of. So just by doing this, you're allowing some air to get in there, some light. Just gently to one side. This way, you're all gonna have some nice healthy begonia plants. I'll show you from the top here. Bending these leaves back. If you see in here, these dry, damaged leaves. Down there. I know this looks time consuming, but get them off the ground as well, off the compost. Just come around here. Again, once you've been round, had a really good look at it, you've got most of the damaged leaves on. I like to feed them twice a week with a good liquid feed. Tomato feed's great. Also use Miracle Grow, and I've also got a 2-part feed I'm trying out, which was somebody gave it to me, rather expensive, £60 for for 10 litres, but it's really good stuff. That's a liquid feed. It's off here. But yeah, see all round the that have come off. So by going around there, that's just a quick tips and tricks how to keep your begonias flowering really well. If you've got any questions about begonias, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.